dear students, welcome back in our today's mathematics class. Student, we are going to start our next exercise, exercise 14.2 of chapter 14. So let's start first of all the introduction, that what type of question we have in this exercise. Student, we have two topics in this exercise. The very first topic is using identities. Student, we have the question, right? You have to make the factor and you have to see if the identity is forming, then directly you can use the identity one formula only. Right, student? What identities are there? Everyone know a minus b whole square and a plus b whole square, right? That is a square plus 2ab plus b square and a square minus 2ab plus b square. Or one more identity, a square minus b square is equals to a minus b and a plus b. So student, so let's take one example. For example, x square plus 8x plus 16. Right? This is a quadratic term. First of all, you have to see the very first term is x square. Means this can come a square. Right? And 16 can come b square, that is 4 square. This will be as it is, plus 2ab. A is x and b is 4. So 4 2s are 8x. So yes. So this equation is forming a plus b whole square formula. Right, students? So directly you can write a plus b whole square. So these are the factor for this. And you can open it, x plus 4 and x plus 4. So these are the factor for this term. Right, student? So you have to check if the term is given to you that's forming the identity or not. For example, a square minus b square. Suppose the formula is 81 minus 144x square. Right? So students see 81 9 square and 144 is 12x. So a square minus b square we can write down formula a minus b, a plus b. 9 minus 12x or 9 plus 12x. And students, so this all things you have to only see that it's forming identity or not, or directly you can put the identity, write down the factors. Right, student? So this was about very first topic, which is very important, of exercise 14.2. Coming to our next topic. The second topic we have middle term splitting. This topic is very important, student. Please understand it carefully. Middle term splitting. It means this middle term you have to split. और split कैसे करना है? There is one method. When you will split it, मतलब ये as it is रहेगा and this will remain as it is only. Okay? इस term को आपने इस तरीके से split करना है. You will multiply that term. You will get 6 और अगर जब उसे plus और minus करोगे, then you can get 5. How you can split? 5. 5 2x plus 3x. I can split 5x को 2x and 3x में, and the sign is of plus. So both sign plus 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 only. Right, student? 2 3s are 6 only. It means when you multiply 2 or 3, we are getting 6. After doing plus, we are getting 5x only. Right, student? This is called splitting the middle term. Okay, now 4 terms you are having. So same method, regrouping term. Regrouping term we have done in our last exercise. So same way, this group and this group. Okay, x is common, x plus 2. Here 3 is common, plus 3, x plus 2. See again, they are same, right? So x plus 2 and x plus 3. This is the factor for this term. Right, student? So what we have done, very first we have done using identities. अगर इसी टाइप की फॉर्म, क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्म है, a square तो फाइन, अगर आपका b square भी बन रहा है, so you will use the identity. और अगर आपका सेम क्वाड्रेटिक टर्म है, b square नहीं बन रहा, so it means you will use the method middle term splitting. Okay? So how you will do this method? Multiplication, we can get this number, and after doing plus or minus, we should have the same number. Okay, student? So for better understanding, we'll solve the exercise questions. Let's start. Now coming to our question number 1, student. Question number 1 is factorize. Again means you have to make the factors for the given term. The very first part, a square plus 8a plus 16. See student, it's a quadratic form, and first of all you can see it is a that constant term is making b square or not? Yes, 16 is b square, that is 4 square. And 2ab. A is A only and B is 4. So 2A, B is 4. That is 4 2s are 8, A. Right, students? So which formula it is? A square plus B square plus 2AB? It is A plus B whole square. So this is the factor. Or this term you can write down A plus 4 and A plus 4. So this is the answer. Right, student? Coming to our second part. P square minus 10P plus 25. Again, it's quadratic form. This is P square. Means A is P only. B is 5 square. 5 5s are 25. If the square, perfect square is making, then you can make. Otherwise, you can choose the second one method, that is splitting, middle term splitting one. Right? So it's making square. So A square plus B square minus 2AB. Because here is 2 minus sign is there, so you can write down A minus B whole square. Right, student? Or you can write down P minus P and P minus 5. Right? So, very simple. Now coming to our question number 3. It's 25m square plus 30m plus 9. Student, as you can see, 25 perfect square. 5 5s are 25. So, 5m square. This is A. Right? B. 3 3s are 9. So, 3 square. This is B. Plus 2AB. 2A is 5m and B is 3. Now you can see, student, 5 2s are 10, 10 3s are 30, 30m. So very simple, no? And it is A plus B whole square. Right, student? Or you can write down 5m plus 3 or 5m plus 3. Very simple, no? Now coming to our fourth part. Now see, student, 49y square plus 84yz plus 36z square. So it can be A. Let's start. First of all, perfect square. 49 perfect square, 7. So 7y. It is A plus B, 6 6 are 36. B square. It means A is 7y. B is 6z. Now here is plus. It means plus 2AB. It's forming or not, we have to check. Plus 2. A is 7y and B is 6z. So let's have a look. 7 2s are 14. 14 6 are 84. Yes. It means 84yz. It means again making a perfect square. A plus B whole square. Right, student? Very simple question, no? So, this is all about our question number 1. 4 parts I have done. 3 parts you can solve by your own. 5 to 8. Right? So, 3 parts are homework for you. The questions are very simple on student. Right? So, this was about question number 1. Coming to our next question. Coming to our question number 2, factorize. Question number 2, very first part. 4p square minus 9q square. So we have only 2 terms and the middle there is minus. So now you know one identity of a square minus b square one, that is a square minus b square. Everyone know a minus b, a plus b. So see, student, which formula we have learned in the algebraic term, here we are using. So these formulas are very important, right? So let's have a look. It's forming this formula or not? 4, the perfect square for 4, 2, yes, 2p square we can write, and 9 we can write 3q. So it's a square minus b square. So formula is a minus b, this is a minus b, and a plus b. That's it, student. Right? Using the identity, we found the factors. Right? Coming to our second part, 63a square minus 112b square. Here also we can write down the same formula. Yes? 63, don't have any perfect square for 63 and same for 112. So what else we can do? Anything common? Yes. 7 is common here, and 7 9s are 63a, 7 1s are 7, 6 are 42, and b square. Right? So this 7 is common only. That's why now it's forming a square minus b square, because 9 is a perfect square of 3. So we can write down bigger bracket. So 9 means 3a square we can write minus 4 4 is 16 b square. Right student, you should know how to represent your answer. This square bracket for both and the small bracket because we have made this square for 9. Right student, so a square minus b square. This is a square minus b square. The formula is a minus b and a plus b. Right students, so let's start. 7 will remain as it is. A minus b, 3a minus 4b and a plus b. And outside the bracket 7 is there because 7 is common for all the term. 7 is common for all the term. Right student, this thing you have to keep in mind. Okay. So see second part, I hope you understood. Coming to our third part. See, it's very simple. 49, 7 sevens are 49. So 7x square, 6. So simply a square minus b square. A is 7x and b is 6. So you can write an answer 7x minus 6 or 7x plus 6. Right student? Very simple. In 2 steps only we found the factors. So, by solving, you have to be vigilant which formula we have to use. Okay. So, this was about third part. Coming to our fourth part student, 16x5 minus 144x raised to power cube. Now student, numbers जो आपके coefficient है with the variable, इसका तो perfect square बन रहा है 4 4 16 and 12 square. But as you can see the variable power is 5 and 3. It's not square. So a square minus b square formula how we can make? Again, here x cube is common in both the term, right? When you will take out x cube common, then easily it's making a square minus b square formula, right? X cube you can take out common and now inside will be 16x square minus 144 only. Right student, because x cube is outside. Here we took 7 as a common. But here x cube is common, so we took outside x cube common. We can do because we have to make a square minus b square. Now easily it's making x cube remain as it is, square bracket 4x square minus 12. That's it. Okay, now minus 12 square. That's it. So a square minus b square. So the answer is x square remain as it is, a minus b and a plus b. Right student, outside term है वो तो as it is रहेगी. We made the formula for inside, a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. Right? Coming to our fifth part, L plus m whole square minus L minus m whole square. It's visible that it is a plus b whole square formula, a minus b whole square formula. So you have to put only a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is first bracket minus inside first of all a square plus b square minus 2ab. Sorry, lm we have to write down because in the place of ab there is lm. Right? Now see student, outside is minus, तो अंदर के सारे signs change हो जाएंगे. This basic we have learned, so let's do it. X square plus m square, this remain as it is. Now the second one bracket sign will change. We open the bracket plus 2lm. So student, L square will cancel out, m square will cancel out. What else is left? 2lm. That is 4lm. So these type of question we have done in our chapter algebraic expression, right? We are making the factors over here. They using identities. Okay. So this was about question number 2. Student, I have done 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 more parts are there. 6 to 8. These parts are homework for you. And kindly solve these questions. Then only you will better understand about this concept. Okay, so this was about question number 2. Coming to our next question. To our question number 3, factorize the equation ax square plus bx. So middle term नहीं हो सकती, perfect square वाला नहीं हो सकता. So here only we can do the common factor because only 2 terms are there. X is common, right? So inside will be ax plus b. Second part, see two only parts are there. Here you can do the common factor. 7 is common and here p cube, here q square. So no other common term is there. So what else is left? P cube, 7 is outside, 7 3s are 21 and q square. That's it. कुछ और हो सकता है student? No, no perfect square, nothing else. Right? Coming to our question number 3. Now 3 terms are there and all are in variable with coefficient. So perfect square तो हो नहीं सकता. Middle term not possible. Again common factor. 2 is common in all 3 terms, or you can say x is common in all 3 terms. Only x, because the lowest power is x only. Right? Now what else is left? Here x square is left, plus 2 is 2, x is outside, so y square will be left, plus 2x is outside, z square is left. That's it. So this is the answer. Very simple question, no? Now coming to our fourth part. You have 4 parts, student. Now see, 4 parts, regrouping the term, because the factors only can possible with this method only, because 4 terms are there. So we will make 2 pairs. These 2 pair and this 2 pair. So from this pair, m square is common and a plus b outside. And here m square will be common and a plus b or b plus a, whatever. The value is same only. And see, bracket term is same. Right? It means our answer is correct. So the factors are a plus b, m square plus n square. Right, student? Questions are very simple. Coming to our fifth part. y plus z plus 9y plus z. See student, have a look at the question. सबसे बड़ी मिस्टेक द स्टूडेंट विल डू, ये ब्रैकेट है, आउटसाइड टर्म है, ओपन कर देते हैं ब्रैकेट. स्टूडेंट जब आप ओपन करेंगे, अगेन वी हैव टू क्रिएट दिस टर्म, बिकॉज 4 टर्म्स बनेगी इस तरीके से. 4 टर्म्स बन के वी हैव टू मेक दिस टर्म ओनली. दिस इज ऑलरेडी इन दैट फॉर्म. सी, the bracket one terms are same, y plus z, y plus z. So the answer is directly y plus z and y plus 9. Right? So 5 parts I have done. 7 to 9 parts homework for you. Please practice these questions. So this was our question number 3. Coming to our next question. Now coming to our question number 4, factorize. A raised to power 4 minus b raised to power 4. So this term you can write down, student, a square square minus b square square, because 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4. This you know, student. Why we have done this? Because to make the identity, a square minus b square. So the formula is a minus b. Now here a is a square, because we have done a square minus b square. So the a value is a square. So a minus b and a plus b. That's it, student. Please see the parts also. Don't forget to write down correct part. Okay. Now coming to our second part. X raised to power 4 minus y plus z raised to power 4. Again we can do like this. Minus square की power square. Means a square minus b square. A is x square, b is y plus z का whole square. Right, student? So a square minus b square is a minus b. So a minus b. This is first bracket, and a plus b. Right, student? और अगर आपको confusion होती है, you write down at the side that you can write down at the side that a value is x square or b value is y plus z square. So a minus b, a plus b. Right, student? This is the end of the question. No, you can see a square minus b square. Again one formula is making, because now here a is x or b is y plus z. Right? Because a square minus b square. So again formula a minus b, a plus b. Here we can't do because here is plus. So plus का कोई formula नहीं होता है. Minus का formula होता है. So again we will write down a minus b or a plus b. And this term will remain as it is only, that is x square plus y plus z का whole square. That's it, student. This is the answer. Although we can open again this bracket, खोल के x minus y minus z, x plus y cancel out होंगी term. here a plus b का whole square you will open, but question थोड़ा lengthy हो जाएगा. Okay, exact thing is this only. You will open whole the bracket और एक single term में answer चाहिए. But student you will get confused. But आप जहाँ तक identity लगा रहे हो, that's it. अगर यहाँ तक भी you are taking out the answer, that is fine. Okay, but if you know how to solve further, it's very good. How to solve? You will open the bracket. It will x minus y minus z. Okay, and it will x plus y plus z. So this will be x square as it is plus a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. You can solve till here also. That will be also fine. Okay, so this was about second part. Coming to our third part, p raised to power 4 minus 81. So p raised to power square. A square minus 9 9 is 81. B square. So a value is p square and b value is 9. You can write down this manner so you will not get confused only. Okay, so a square minus b square, a minus b, a plus b. That's it, student. Right? Only the game is of identities only. If you know the identity, directly you can put. Okay? So this is about 3 parts. Fourth and fifth parts. These 2 parts you can solve by your own. But little bit I am going to discuss with you. See again, x4 minus x minus z4. So a square minus b square. Okay? Again next फिर स्क्वायर रहेगा क्योंकि x स्क्वायर का स्क्वायर है एंड x माइनस जेड का स्क्वायर है इन द सेम मैनर हियर. सो अगेन एक और फॉर्मूला बनेगा इन दिस मैनर ओनली. राइट स्टूडेंट? फिफ्थ पार्ट a4 प्लस b4 माइनस 2a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर. You can see here only it's a forming the formula a minus b whole square. जहाँ पे आपका a जो है वो a स्क्वायर होगा, b जो है b स्क्वायर एंड 2ab. That is why. Right, student? So very simple question are, but the game is of parts and the identities only. So please student practice this question, then only you will better understand. So this was about question number 4. Now coming to our next question. Now coming to our question number 5, factorize. First part, p square plus 6p plus 8. Quadratic term. See, it is a square. 8 cannot be b square. So it means here you can choose the method of, yes, middle term splitting one. Right? Is that method? See, p square plus 8 remain as it is. आपको 6p ऐसे स्प्लिट करना है, मल्टीप्लीकेशन करने पे 8 आना चाहिए और प्लस माइनस करने पे 6. Now here is plus only. It means number should be of plus only. ठीक है? अब देखो 8 कैसे बनता है? 8 1 जा 8. राइट, बट 8 अगर प्लस 1 करेंगे तो 9, नो. 8 माइनस 1 करेंगे तो 7, सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. और यू कैन से 2 4 जा 8, यस, 2 4 जा 8 प्लस 2 प्लस 4, 4 प्लस 2 6, यस. सो दिस इज द फैक्टर. और इसके साथ बिकॉज मिडिल टर्म यू आर स्प्लिटिंग, सो विद दिस नंबर यू विल राइट डाउन p ऑल्सो. राइट स्टूडेंट? सो 2p प्लस 4p बिकॉज मल्टीप्लीकेशन करने पे आपके पास 8 आ रहा है और प्लस करने पे यू आर गेटिंग 6. 4 2 जा 8, 4 plus 2 6. So this is the yes factor. What terms you are having, student? 2 pair you can make and solve it. p is common, p plus 2, and from here 4 is common, p plus 2. See, 2 terms are same. Always this should be same. Again and again I am saying, then only your answer is correct. So the answer is p plus 2 and p plus 4. Got, student? Coming to our second part, q square minus 10q plus 21. 21 is not a perfect square of any number. So we'll do the term splitting one. Okay. So let's start. Q square and plus 21 remain as it is. 10q we have to split in that manner so that multiplication पे 21 और प्लस माइनस करने पे स्टूडेंट 10q. नाउ हियर इज माइनस 10q. इट मीन्स अगर आप प्लस माइनस कर रहे हो तो बिगर नंबर जो है वो माइनस का होना चाहिए बिकॉज प्लस माइनस माइनस साइन बिगर डिजिट. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. 21 एक ही है, 7 3 are 21 and 7 8 9 10. प्लस करने पे 10 आ रहा है. सो व्हाट वी कैन राइट डाउन -3 और -7, राइट, बिकॉज माइनस माइनस plus, that is 10, sine माइनस का. So very simple. So we can write down minus 7p or minus 3p. Right student? This sign here, this you can manipulate according to this given sign. Okay, pairs is common here, q minus 7, and here you can take minus 3 common. Inside will be q minus 3 7 the 21. Please understand carefully. ये तो plus 21 था, मतलब plus 7 का आना था. I have written minus. Why? Because I took outside the bracket minus 3 common. जब भी बाहर माइनस होता है ब्रैकेट के बाहर, अंदर के साइन चेंज होते हैं. We have done this math in algebraic term. Okay? अगर आप यहाँ प्लस 3 करते तो ये माइनस क्यू और प्लस 7 बन जाता. We want q minus 7. तो और and I told you both the ब्रैकेट शुड बी सेम, इसीलिए वी टोक माइनस ऑल्सो आउटसाइड. तो ये q जो है माइनस का था प्लस का हो गया, 21 प्लस का था माइनस का हो गया. राइट स्टूडेंट? नाउ सेम q minus 7 and q minus 3 are the factors. I hope you understood student. Now this is about second part. Coming to our third part, p square plus 6p minus 16. 16 is a perfect square of 4. So here you can choose a square plus b square plus 2ab. But students see here is minus. If you are using a minus b whole square, so minus जो है वो यहाँ पे आना चाहिए. It means वो identity we can't use. So again splitting one method, right? So p square remain as it is, minus 16 as it is, right? So splitting the middle term, 4 4s are 16. राइट, 4 प्लस 4 8 एंड 4 माइनस 4 0. यहाँ पे प्लस है तो दोनों टर्म प्लस की होनी चाहिए या बिगर डिजिट प्लस की होनी चाहिए. राइट, व्हाट एल्स फैक्टर ऑफ 16? 8. सो इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल. 8 2s are 16. Yes, 8 2s are 16 and 8 plus 2 10. We want 6. So 8 minus 2 6. Right, but 8 minus 2 मतलब बिगर डिजिट प्लस की and smaller digit minus की. We got plus minus minus 8 minus 2 से sign bigger digit plus का. Right students? So this thing you have to see only. Okay, plus 8p minus 2p. Got student? We split the middle term. Now 2 pairs. Okay, p common, p plus 8. From here we want plus here. It means minus 2 I am taking common. Minus sign also. So p plus का हो जाएगा. Here minus, ये plus का हो जाएगा. 2 8s are 16. जब भी आपके ब्रैकेट के बाद माइनस है तो inside the sign will change. So the answer is p plus 8 and p minus 2. Right student? The questions are very simple only. When you will practice, you will see how easy question these are. Okay, this was about question number 5 and this is the last question for this exercise. Student, please practice this question because questions are very important. In practice, you can solve the example question of your textbook. Right student? So this was about our exercise 14.2. Please practice the homework question as well as examples question. Till then, thank you so much for watching student. Bye bye and take care.